This is a quick review of my Craftsman Toolbox Limited Edition I recently got a few months back, and wanted something that could handle storing my tools and other knickknacks I had. And I really wanted something a bit nicer, looking for like a Snap-on or a Matco or a Cornwall box. I'm a big Cornwall fan, but price-wise for a homeowner, it was just a bit much. And I don't turn wrenches for a living, so I figured this was good enough. And limited edition of anything usually doesn't do much for me, but this box was a little bit different than the other ones I noticed in the Sears tool department. And of course, it does say limited edition. But I thought I'd give a quick review of this one. Now, there is another limited edition box that they have on sale right now that's a little different. It's all like a matte black color, and some of the differences I noticed were that this top box, you see how it almost fills out that the top surface of the bottom box. I think it leaves probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches, and so it's pretty wide. And this new limited edition box that's all matte black is really thin. It's probably goes up to there and leaves, seems like a half foot of space, and so it's just not as deep. And the handlebars, they're actual like handles that come out and swivel, where this is just like a indentation to the box with a metal handle. But overall, it's really solid. It's pretty sturdy. I like the color. It's like a two-tone color, with the drawers being a different color than the actual box, and it has this I-beam set up. It's pretty sturdy. I think the thinnest part of the metal is probably the top, which I don't use it as a work surface, so it doesn't bother me. Comes with that sticker there. The new limited edition box also has like a gas strut, 2 small ones, one on this side and one on that one, whereas this one just has this kind of older style deal. It's not bad. Works out for me. It's my top section, a bunch of knickknacks. Got my little Craftsman torque wrench. Actually, not little, it's big, 1/2 inch. And I thought I'd just show you real quick what I got. This is all ball bearing, of course, and part of the gimmick on this one was the liners that came with the box. And advertising says that these ball bearing deals have 75% weight limit, which is pretty good. I think the heavy duty Craftsman box is 50, and some are 70. So for 75, that's pretty good. Of course, this shelf isn't using much with these tools here, but these come in handy for my bike that I use for mountain biking. My wrenches, nothing special. The chrome looks nice, but it gets a bit dirty. Screwdrivers, Phillips, Torx. Gotta say, I prefer these Craftsman Professional ones over the regular Craftsman. These will do the job, but it's not the same. Hammers. This is, by the way, amazing. Love this thing. Dead blow hammer, non-marring. Little picks. Impact drawer, 3/8, little hand sander, 3/8 ratchet, impact bits. Air deal. This bottom box is a little bit wider, as you can see, and using quite a bit of weight on this one. This is a 1/4 inch stuff. I don't know if you can see well. Got the Craftsman premium wrench. 84 tooth, I think. Something like that. Big difference from the regular Craftsman. A little bit longer, as you can see. And like I said, I don't turn wrenches for a living. So, pretty clean tools. 84 tooth. This is my 1/2 inch stuff. And my Proto Professional USA breaker bar. And most of this stuff is USA made. I know Craftsman is not what it used to be, but even still, I try to get American-made Craftsman stuff. It's hard to do nowadays. But even this box, I called on the serial number. You can find the serial number right in there. And Waterloo Industries is the ones that make the boxes, and sure enough, they verified that it was made, I think, just outside of St. Louis. This is my Milwaukee different knickknacks, drill guns. And the bottom drawer is random stuff. Husky set, which has been pretty nice. But totally recommend this box. Really sturdy, holds a lot of stuff. I wanted the bigger U.S. General box over at Harbor Freight, but it just took up too much real estate in my garage. As you can see, I don't have a lot of space. It's kind of tight. But like I said, totally recommend it. It's been a solid box for homeowner use. I think it's going to last me a while, I hope at least. And it verified it is USA made. Love the color, very sturdy, really solid. I-beam. It's a little thin there, but I mean, it's no snap-on box, but works for me.